Seriously, nothing better than a tequilita to start making a good video. All right, everybody, boys and girls, welcome back to Hey Bartender. That was good. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And please, today, if you happen to have a Pear Vodka and Saint Germain in your cabinet, do me a favor, get your pen and paper, bring those bad boys outside, that we're gonna teach you how to make the pear shape. Please stay here with me. So, do me a favor, everybody, just please ignore the little background noise. My dishwasher is running for the next 3 hours, and production is like, we have to make a video, so might as well. I mean, it's gonna be like on and off for a couple of seconds, but please don't pay attention to it. All right, pay attention to this. This is what you're here for. Today we're gonna teach you how to make the pear shape. So the story behind this cocktail is actually my friend Miguel Dean. One more time, this little kiddo happens to be really has a really good taste on how to mix certain flavors. And the original recipe is a little bit different than this one. I don't have the Matilda pear liqueur, and he uses Grey Goose, Matilda pear liqueur, and Saint Germain. However, I'm going to be using the Absolut Pears, meaning already mixed with it, and the Saint Germain. But also we're going to be using pear or pear puree. So let's start building a cocktail, and we're going to start with actually having a pear. What you're going to do is you're going to cut one side, and you're going to save 4 nice thin slices to make a beautiful fan for your garnish. Then you're going to have another side, and you're going to peel it. Once you peel it, you're going to make cubes, and you're going to get like 4 to 6 cubes of pear. Doesn't mean your thing, and let's model. If you can liquefy these things and make pear puree, it's going to be better because that's going to be just 1 ounce of pear puree. But in this case, I don't want it to do that. I want to give it a chance to see how the pears break down. So let's see how that is going to work out. Let's grab our Pear Vodka, and we're going to go for 2.5 ounces. Saint Germain, 1/2 ounce. Fresh lime juice, full ounce. And simple syrup, 1/2 ounce. Let's get some ice. And let's give it a good shake. Okay. I think the smell is on point. Remember, you guys, if you happen to have your significant one. Significant one.
Significant other.
Oh, significant other. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, remember, you guys, if you happen to have one production at home, this is going to be a perfect cocktail for it. I mean, pears are perfect for ladies. I mean, certain kind of martinis that are actually absolutely delicious. And trust me, this one is not going to be the exception. So this could be a really good martini for Valentine's to celebrate with your significant other. Right, production?
Right.
Yay. Okay, so let's strain our cocktail into your Nick and Nora glass, into your martini glass, or your chalice glass. And don't forget to double strain. Like I said, garnish with a beautiful pear bouquet or fan. And there you have it, guys. pear shape for Valentine's Day. Please don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time, and happy Valentine's.